Right now, it's more important than ever to have a strong, healthy immune system, and herbs and supplements can help, but not all of them are created equal. Dr. Erica Steele from Holistic Family Practice in Virginia Beach is here to tell us more. Dr. Steele, welcome back to Coast Live. Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you as well.
So why are supplements, herbs, why are they all not created equal? What's the difference here?
Yeah, I think people don't think as deeply into supplementation naturally. They just kind of go to the store, pick something up, and call it a day. And so it's really about quality of supplementation rather than quantity. So looking at the ingredients, making sure, just like with Neighborhood Harvest, they were talking about the ingredients, that still applies even in the supplement world as well.
So when you say look for the ingredients, what are you exactly looking for? I mean, I wouldn't know when I'm looking. They're all the same to me. It's just, I mean, to me, I'm like, oh, that's a pretty bottle.
Yeah, right. And so I always say it's like a mullet, right? It's business in the front and party in the back. So you want to flip the bottle over and really look at what we call other ingredients, right? So if your first ingredient is, let's say, an artificial sweetener like sucrose, right, which is common in a lot of children's vitamins because they're made with all the gummy material and things like that, which taste good, but they're not necessarily good for you.
Okay, all right, so that's interesting. That's good to know. Now, what about things like side effects? I mean, can you get some adverse effects from taking some of these supplements?
You can, and especially like if you're taking certain medications and then you take supplements on top of it, like for instance, psychotropic medications, so like medication for depression and mood and things like that, are highly contraindicated with things like St. John's worts. And so people will often take those together not knowing, or even let's say they're trying to lower their cholesterol and they're on a statin drug, like Lipitor or something like that. And then they go, oh, well, I read online that red yeast rice helps. Well, those do the same thing. And so it'll drop your cholesterol even lower than what it needs to be. So understanding the nutrient interactions that medications have to supplements is very important. But also too, certain pharmaceuticals deplete nutrients in the body. They'll deplete things like B complexes that you have to also make sure that you replenish. So even like with statins, for instance, they block, I'll use a big word, hydroxymethylglutarate, which blocks CoQ10 from getting into your heart. So CoQ10, as we know, is a network antioxidant, which is necessary. So we want to make sure that we're, taking that holistic approach when we're looking at our medications as well as our supplements.
Wow, that's good advice right there. And so, but some people say you can get everything you need from just eating a clean diet. Is that true, or do you need supplements along with eating healthy?
Yeah, I wish we could get everything, from our diets, but we have a lot of challenges with naturally GMOs. We have a lot of challenges with processed foods. And I think even the cleanest diet, you're still going to get a little bit of that. And so it affects the digestive system. So it actually creates damage to the digestive system. You can be eating 100% healthy diet, but if you're not digesting and assimilating that diet properly, then you're going to need to make sure that you supplement just to be able to break things down. I often use just a strong multivitamin as really a baseline nutrient and then build from there. Mm-hmm. And of course, that's not even talking about the mineral depletions in the soils and all of the various things that are going on with our agricultural system as well.
There's a lot going out there. And real quick before we go, tell us about your special offer.
Yeah, so we have a special offer for immune support. So holistic doctors like me, we only use GMP certified supplements. So those are pharmacy grade supplements. So because there's so much concern about the immune system, we do have a special right now where we have a private label that's coming out for immune support, and it's got some zinc and vitamin C and also that baseline nutrient.
All right.
And so they can get that through our office and also get a discount from it for mentioning Coast Live. So we're really excited about that.
Wonderful. Dr. Steele, thank you so much as always.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Take best of care. Have a great day.
All right, you too.